Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with ANZ Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up and then type in anz.com.au in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for ANZ Bank. Now in order to log into your account, just click on the login button at the top right corner. You will now be taken into the login portal. Now in order to log in, just go ahead and type in your customer registration number followed by your password. After typing in both of these, you can simply click on the login button and you will be logged into your account. In case you forgot your password or your user ID, then you can click on the Forgot Login Details and you will be able to reset your login credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on ANZ Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.